Standard operating procedure in shower room cleaning. The following cleaning procedure must be observed. First, wear the proper protective gear in cleaning such as gloves, mask, and eye goggles. Second, collect all used soaps and toiletries. Third, clean walls, tiles by applying cleaning chemicals on the sponge. Fourth, work from the top to bottom with an overlapping circular motion. Fifth, wash, clean, and sanitize the shower head, water taps, faucet fixtures, and the other fittings that ought to be cleaned and sanitized. Six, rinse all the areas thoroughly. 7. Dry all fittings with a soft cloth or sponge, ensuring everything is spotless. 8. Clean the bathroom floor last. Floor must be scrubbed with detergent and a disinfectant and then mop dry. 9. Check all fittings for maintenance, shower heads for drips, lost faucet, broken and loose tiles, and etc. Never use the bathroom linens in cleaning the bathroom and the guest room. The tool used in cleaning toilet and bathroom should never be used in cleaning anywhere else inside the guest room.
We would like to thank Acacia Inn and Resto Bar, located at Poblacion, Kandihay, Bohol.